What if a huge part of your job as an analyst is already obsolete? In the age of AI, it is not a what if, it's a guarantee. To find where you're truly irreplaceable, you need a map. And we're here to give you one that shows you the parts of your job that AI will replace and what it can't. Today on Art+Science. Hey there, I'm Kevin Hartman, Associate Professor at the University of Notre Dame and founder of the Art+Science Analytics Institute, where our mission is to make you a better data analyst. We have always said that the analyst is the guardian of objectivity, the voice of data in a world of opinion. That role is still critical, but it's no longer enough. Artificial intelligence is here, and it excels at handling structured, repeatable work. In this video, we are going to introduce a framework we call the Human-AI Career Nexus. We'll break down the 4 types of work in this new landscape, help you pinpoint where your current skills lie, and give you a concrete 5-step playbook to not just survive, but thrive in the age of AI. To navigate the future, you need a map. We've built one. It's called the Human-AI Career Nexus, a simple but powerful framework for understanding AI's impact on your current role. It's built on 2 fundamental dimensions. The first, on the horizontal axis, is structure. Think of this as how predictable a task is. High structure work is defined by clear roles and procedures. Low structure work is ambiguous, messy, and lacks a clear instruction manual. The second dimension on the vertical axis is creativity. This measures the need for human intuition, novelty, and emotional insight. High creativity work demands original thought, while low creativity work relies more on logic and analysis. These 2 axes create 4 distinct quadrants, each defining a different category of work and a different set of tasks. In the bottom left, we have the operator quadrant. This is low creativity, high structure work, like data entry, pulling a standard weekly report, cleaning a data set according to a script. Moving to the right, we find the investigator quadrant. This is low creativity, but low structure work, where you're analyzing complex problems and ambiguous situations using logical judgment when there's no clear answer. And the top left is what we call the designer quadrant. This is high creativity, high structure work, where you blend originality with established processes, like creating a compelling data visualization that tells a story. And finally, in the upper right, we have the innovator quadrant. This is the zone of high creativity and low structure, true human ingenuity, generating brand new ideas where there is no template. So where does a data analyst fit on this map? Well, the truth is that your role as an analyst isn't confined to a single box. It's a collection of tasks that spans the entire nexus. And that is both the challenge and the massive opportunity. Let's be honest, a significant chunk of traditional analytics work resides in the operator quadrant, refreshing dashboards, pulling weekly numbers. These tasks are a melting iceberg. AI will perform them faster and more accurately than you can. You have to get off of these tasks. The real durable value is in the other 3 quadrants. When you stop just reporting what happened and start digging into why it happened, you step into the role of the investigator. When you stop delivering spreadsheets and start crafting narratives, you become a designer. And when you use data to shape future strategy, you become an innovator, moving from a guardian of the past to an engine for the future. Your goal, frankly, your objective, and what your career rests upon is to migrate your work out of the operator quadrant. This requires conscious effort. So here's your playbook. First, audit your quadrant. Spend 1 week tracking your time and categorizing every task you perform into one of these 4 quadrants. The percentage of time that you spend as an operator is your personal career risk score, your baseline for change. Second, aggressively automate your past. Target every operator task for elimination. Your goal isn't to get faster at them. Your goal is to spend 0 minutes on them. If your company has invested in an AI tool like ChatGPT, Copilot, or Gemini, your job is to master it. Allow that tool to take over those tasks. If you have not invested in those tools, explore the website there'sanaiforthat.com. It is a massive library of AI agents. Find the tools that can do this work for you. Third, become a better investigator. When a stakeholder asks for a number for some data from you, don't just provide it, go a step further. Generate 3 distinct, testable hypotheses for why the number is what it is. Then test your hypotheses by collecting data, conducting analysis, and drawing conclusions. Learn to ask better questions and solve problems for your stakeholders, not just serve up data. Fourth, and perhaps most importantly, deliver stories, not spreadsheets. When you have drawn your conclusions, craft a story around them, build a focused presentation with a clear narrative arc, and use visuals to create an emotional impact and connection to your data. Doing this makes you a designer, leveraging a unique human advantage that AI cannot replicate. And fifth and finally, partner with ambiguity. Find the person in your organization with the messiest, most important problems. Ask them, what is the most important question you are trying to answer? Become their partner in giving structure to the unstructured. This is the work of an innovator. Artificial intelligence is not coming for your job. It is coming for a set of tasks, the predictable, the repetitive, the mundane. Your role is only at risk if it becomes defined by these simple tasks. AI will automate the work that, frankly, you should have been automating yourself, so let it. Your true value isn't in following a process. It is in your uniquely human ability to think, to create, to interpret, and to tell stories. Your path forward is clear. Let the machine handle the predictable so that you can master the human tasks that are irreplaceable. Let the map we've shared with you here today be your guide. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, take a moment and subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it with anyone who you think is interested in data analytics. Here at Art+Science, we are bringing new, exciting, and important videos on data analytics to this channel. We would love to have you here for the journey. Also, be sure to check out the links in the description for this video for additional Art+Science resources, and sign up for our newsletter to get exclusive tips, course updates, and more directly in your inbox. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next video.